This is a concrete where I have made some patterns where you can feel the stones and you can feel the smooth surface in the concrete. Concrete has a big potential because I think many houses can be very boring. So I have made some concrete where I have some technique where I can make patterns. So I will have some different color in the concrete. Here I have some concrete where I work with the light. This concrete type have a reflection in the light. This one I have made some structure in the concrete. My concrete have been tested, so it could be outdoors in all types in weather. Here I have made some concrete where you can feel the patterns and you like to touch the concrete. I try to find the strengths in the concrete, so it could be very good for people that live in concrete houses. This concrete is very soft. My products is tested now in buildings. And my product is ready now to go to the market.